Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Arc and you keep getting this error out of video memory trying to allocate a rendering resource, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Arc easily. So first off, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your game's platform. Now what you're going to do is you're going to right click onto your Arc I'm going to use Counter-Strike as an example. Go into properties. Now in the launch options you're going to write here dash DX11, and now you can go ahead and try to play the game in DirectX 11 and check if that fixes your issue. If it does, then you're good, but if it didn't, then I have a fix for both AMD and NVIDIA graphic cards. So first I'll show you how to do it on an AMD card. You're going to right click on your desktop, go into AMD software, and now you're going to go into gaming, and then you're going to go into graphics. Now you're going to scroll down on here until you find reset shader cache. So just click on to perform reset on here and reset the AMD shader cache. Now I'll show you how to do it on an NVIDIA card. So first off, you're going to right click on your desktop, go into NVIDIA control panel. After that, you're going to go into manage 3D settings. And here you're going to set the shader cache size to 0. So just disable shader cache size for now. And after that, you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up your start menu again. You're going to write run and then you're going to write app data here. And then you're going to go into local. And here you're going to find the folder called D3D cache. So here it is, D3DS cache. Just delete this folder. After that, find the NVIDIA folder here. And once you're in the NVIDIA folder, delete both of these folders from the NVIDIA folder, DX cache and GL cache. After that, you're going to open up the NVIDIA control panel again. And then you're going to go into manage 3D settings. You're going to set the shader cache size to whatever it was set before. Now you can restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now you can go ahead and play Arc and you will not get that out of video memory error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.